If you use Obsidian for notes, research, journaling, project management, studying, or building a personal knowledge base, creating regular backups is one of the most important things you can do. Your Obsidian vault may contain valuable information accumulated over months or even years, and losing that data due to accidental deletion, hardware failure, software issues, or device theft can be extremely frustrating. Fortunately, because Obsidian stores your notes as local files, backing up your vault is straightforward and can be done using several different methods. In this video, I'll show you how to back up Obsidian in 2026, step by step, even if you're completely new to the application. First, it's important to understand what needs to be backed up. Obsidian stores all of your notes, attachments, images, PDFs, settings, plugins, themes, and configurations inside a folder called a vault. Backing up your vault folder ensures that all of your information is preserved and can be restored later if necessary. To begin, open Obsidian and identify the vault you want to protect. If you're not sure where the vault is stored, open your vault settings or use the File Explorer option to reveal the location on your computer. Once you know where the folder is located, close Obsidian to make sure all recent changes have been saved properly. One of the simplest backup methods is creating a manual copy of the vault folder. Open your computer's file manager, locate the vault folder, and copy it to another location. Many users store backup copies on an external hard drive, USB drive, or separate storage device. This creates an immediate backup that can be restored whenever needed. Another popular option is using cloud storage services. Place your vault folder inside a synchronized cloud folder and allow the files to upload automatically. This provides an additional copy of your notes outside your primary device and can also make it easier to access your vault from multiple computers. If you use multiple devices regularly, consider using Obsidian Sync. This subscription service is designed specifically for Obsidian and can synchronize notes, attachments, settings, and other vault data across supported devices. In addition to synchronization, it can also provide version history that allows you to recover previous versions of notes when necessary. For users who want advanced backup capabilities, Git-based solutions are another excellent choice. Git tracks changes over time and creates a complete history of modifications made to your notes. Combined with a remote repository service, Git can provide both backup protection and version control for your vault. If you choose a Git-based workflow, consider installing the Obsidian Git Community plugin. This plugin can automate commits and backups, reducing the amount of manual work required to maintain a consistent backup routine. No matter which backup method you use, it's important to test your backups periodically. Many people create backups but never verify that they can actually restore them. Open backup copies occasionally and confirm that your notes, attachments, and folders are present and functioning correctly. Another helpful practice is maintaining multiple backup copies. Following the general backup principle of keeping more than one copy of important data can provide additional protection against unexpected problems. For example, you might keep one backup on an external drive and another in cloud storage. If your vault contains large attachments such as videos, high-resolution images, or extensive document collections, make sure your backup solution includes those files as well. Some synchronization systems may require additional storage capacity when working with large vaults. You should also establish a regular backup schedule. Whether you back up daily, weekly, or monthly depends on how frequently your notes change. Users who work in Obsidian every day often benefit from automatic backup systems that run without requiring manual intervention. Another useful tip is keeping backup versions rather than overwriting a single backup repeatedly. Having access to older versions can be extremely valuable if a mistake goes unnoticed for several days or weeks. If you ever need to restore a backup, simply copy the saved vault folder back to your computer and open it as a vault in Obsidian. In most cases, your notes, attachments, and settings will appear exactly as they existed when the backup was created. So, that's how to back up Obsidian in 2026. The main steps are locating your Vault folder, creating backup copies, using cloud storage or synchronization services when appropriate, testing backup integrity regularly, and maintaining multiple backup versions for additional protection. With a reliable backup strategy in place, you can work confidently knowing your notes and knowledge base are protected against unexpected data loss. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Obsidian tutorials, productivity tips, and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.